Hey everybody, this is Roland, Barbecue Smoker Pros, Braselton, Georgia. And we are finishing off a King Roadrunner setup. Roof, side wings, barn door, smoker, 3 shells, rib box, firebox, brake setup, bulldog hitch. This is all heavy duty. Front table. This is a triple burner. This is a griddle with lid, 4 burner, front grease store trap, double axles. All the floor is made out of steel grate, so it's easy to clean and lightweight. Here is a 4 burner gas grill, cast iron racks. Double deep fryers, the baskets are inside. He's picking up tomorrow, so just going over it. Double deep fryers. Down the middle, you can put your tables, your chairs, your umbrellas. Wing roof, left wing, right wing, or we call it the driver's side and passenger side because people get confused sometimes. He has his own generator. This is his generator box. The generator will fit in there, and then he can chain it to any one of these rails. This is an energy guide, efficient, top door freezer. This is a 5 steam tray table with your soda, water, seltzer, beer, wine cooler, tub in the back. Movable burners for 4 of the racks. Your sink setup. Hot water heater. And that is already hot. These are NSF stainless steel sinks, Gasland. Gave him the limited edition hot chili red heater. Little cubby back here, but you gotta take stuff out because it'll be too much heat. How do you like the chimney setup on the barn door smoker? We took it right out through the back. Too many people. Leave the chimney right inside, and then your whole roof becomes filthy from smoke. Up here is 1 propane tank for the hot water heating system. Heavy duty bulldog emergency breakaway device in the front. This is all set to make money. Give us a call, holler, text. That battery there runs the pump, but that actually goes inside the cubby right in there. We're actually still working on it right now. Give us a call, holler, text. Front axle is a brake axle. 770-866-2561. We can custom build whatever you like. This is a King Roadrunner. We're really proud of her. This is a money-making machine. This is basically a full restaurant buffet table on wheels. So give us a call, holler, text. 770-866-2561. Barbecue on.